So this is Journal 2 for institutional video. I guess through some confusion, I kind of went over everything in Journal 1, pretty much what we talked about with Josh Burcham and the welding instructor. We talked about, I kind of went over both. But for Journal 2, here's the deal. This Thursday, we're going to go shoot video at Goodwill. They have a welding class there. And when we talked with the welding instructor the first time, we discussed, things like when can we go shoot and what we're looking to kind of get out of this project. And so we're going to be shooting different styles of welding, TIG, MIG, ARC, and so on and so forth. And each part of that class, I think, is like 4 weeks long. So we're not going to be shooting every week, but we will shoot each different type. And also be working with the Goodwill administration because they have a scholarship program that they give flat tech students, and they have a career center for the welding students. So a year after they graduate, they can still go up to the school and use their resources there to help find them a job somewhere. So all of that's going to be included in the project, and that's what we discussed last Tuesday. And we decided, because of scheduling, that Thursdays would be the day we'll go film the welding. That's really it. I kind of went over this in Journal 1. It's kind of all inclusive of the first meeting with Josh Burcham and the meeting with the instructor at the welding facility. But that's where we're at with Journal 2. So we got a lot of good information. We got a good starting point, and it should be good.